और भाई अपना पिछला वीडियो देखा?
हाँ भाई देखा ना। अरे कमेंट पड़े क्या?
हाँ यार 2-3 जगह के थे, नेशनल पार्क के बहुत सारे थे। मैं क्या बोलता हूँ आज बोरीवली में चल उधर ही जाते।
हाँ चलना है। ये देख बाकी लोग भी आ गए यार।
Oh, hey guys, what's up? We are travelers. Well, we are back with the third video. So now that you know where we are heading, so come, let's go.
So guys, as you can see, we have now reached Sanjay Gandhi National Park.
So let's go exploring.
Well, the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, formerly also known as the Borivali National Park, is a large protected area in the northern part of Mumbai city. It spans over an area of 104 square kilometers, which makes it one of the major national parks existing within a metropolis limit. And it is one of the most visited parks in the world, attracting over 2 million visitors every year. People visit here from all over the place to spend some fun time with their family or friends, or some even wander here alone and enjoy the ambience of the park. You can spot a lot of animals over here, like a spotted deer and a lot of monkeys. And if you're lucky enough, which we weren't, you can spot a grey langur, also known as the Hanuman langur, and also some striped hyenas. But if you want to see some lions or tigers, you would have to go for the lion tiger safari, which was closed when we were there. Instead, we visited this small gallery and now to Canary Caves.
So that's it guys, this is the final location of our day.
So let's go see some caves. So as some of you guys might be knowing, one of the major attractions of the national park is the 2400-year-old Canary Caves. These caves are beautifully sculpted directly from the rocky cliffs by the Buddhist residents starting in the 1st century BCE. The area was actually a settlement and once served as a guest place for travelers. And just for a quick fun fact, the word Kanheri comes from a Sanskrit word Krishnagiri, which actually means Black Mountain. Yeah, true story. that's it for today, guys.
Please don't forget to like our video, share our video, comment down below and subscribe to our channel.
Until next time,
Love and peace!